Gemini, hello and welcome to Gina Moon. This is your weekly tarot reading starting this new week of January the 9th up until January the 16th. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into your reading. Remember that this is a general reading, so take it as it resonates. Could be you towards somebody, somebody here towards you. So if you feel the need to reverse the roles, then go ahead and do so. And you're starting with the dominant energy of the drum roll. And you have here, the message says opportunity, okay? And it comes with another little message here, which I'm going to read out to you. It says opportunity, and it has here the animal of a snake. You are on the right track. It's an opportune time. You are a wise soul and a practical strategist. Know your motives and anticipate the successful outcome before you make your move. Keep it cool. Okay, so you're going to have an opportunity here. And if you've been wondering, am I on the right track? Am I moving in the right direction? This is just confirmation. Yes, you are on the right track. Okay, and right now it is a very opportune time for you to create a strategy. Okay, try to come up with some kind of a plan, some kind of a strategy. Okay, before you take action, before you head on out, before you make your move. And that has to do with you anticipating a successful outcome. Basically, it's telling you visualize what you want your outcome to be before you take action. It's kind of like manifesting, right? You have to feel it, be it before you actually receive it. So that's what it is saying, okay? Now here also in the picture, there is a snake. So either you could be the snake here, okay? As you can see, the snake is wrapped around that tree, and it's kind of like looking out for the opportune time for it to strike, right? I do sense that in this photo, in this image, the snake is kind of like waiting for its prey, right? It's waiting for its prey to eat, but it's really taking its time to observe before taking action, okay? And so that's what it's telling you. Don't just jump in, okay, into something without thinking, without having a plan. Make sure that you have a plan, a strategy, and then take action, right? The snake is kind of getting ready before it heads on out, okay? So again, there will be an opportunity for you, which is why this is advising you. Have a plan, visualize your achievement, visualize your final result, and then take action, okay? All right, let's see what this is all about for you. What does this all pertain to? Okay, so let's see. We're going to go ahead and spread out all of the energies first. And I'm going to clarify each and every position as we go through your reading. Some of you guys may be dealing with the sign of Leo, the sign of Taurus, at the bottom of the deck, you have the Three of Pentacles reversed. So there might be a situation right now that you are encountering where there is either a lack of compromise, there is a misunderstanding, or there's no seeing eye to eye. It's difficult to really, participate in something, joining forces, teamwork, that kind of thing. It's not happening. There's something here that is not working, okay? Because the Three of Pentacles is reversed. So either you don't want to negotiate with somebody, or somebody here, it's difficult to negotiate with them, right? It's kind of difficult to see eye to eye with this group of people or between you and a situation, okay? Right now I see that there's a lack of compromise. Now with the Empress here, this is a situation. Still, even though there is a lack of compromise, I see that there is growth on the horizon. There is something new that is getting ready to bloom, blossom, and grow into something beautiful. This is also feminine energy, right? Embrace that feminine energy of being more understanding, being more kind of in that energy of becoming the receiver. Remember, the feminine energy receives. The masculine energy is the giver, right? It puts in the effort, while the feminine energy is, again, the receiver. So be in tune and touch with that energy of femininity, the feminine energy for others of you guys. If you are looking to birth a child, okay, or birth an idea into a business, birthing whatever it is, okay, into something, it has a potential to grow, okay? But again, strategize. Make sure that you have a plan, because you will have an opportunity, and this opportunity again, it has a potential to grow into something beautiful. In your challenge position, you have the Queen of Pentacles. So it might be a little bit challenging for you to either feel like you are stable. Maybe right now you are financially struggling. For others of you guys, if this is not financial struggle, it could just be the fact that right now, you find it difficult to really stabilize your emotions yourself, okay? You might find it difficult to perhaps feel stable and secure. Maybe there's a lack of security in a relationship, in a job, in a situation, okay? But I do see that is going to come along, that sense of security, because here with the Nine of Pentacles, look at that. That's independence. You're headed towards independence. You're headed towards something where you can create something of your own. Maybe if you're looking to, start a new business, head into a new career, right? This is all about doing it on your own, making it on your own, making your own money. But this is also focusing in on yourself. So be open-minded, allow new changes into your life, but also this is all about self-love and self-care, okay? Focus on you, what you desire. Page of Wands, this is the root of the issue. So the root of the issue pertains to either a lack of enthusiasm from somebody, whether you have the lack of enthusiasm to pursue something new, or whether somebody around you is lacking the enthusiasm to pursue the situation, okay? There's also perhaps a lack of communication. Maybe this person is not ready to communicate. Whoever this is, whether you or somebody here that you're dealing with. I feel like this has to do with a level of immaturity, okay? In the recent past, with the Strength reverse, somebody here lacked the strength, okay, to pursue something. Somebody here didn't feel strong enough to continue on this journey. It could be that this person was dealing with some kind of perhaps self-confidence issues. It could also be the fact that this individual just didn't have it in them to continue to be strong, to stay in a situation that they didn't want to stay in. In the near future, you have here the King of Wands reverse. So in the near future, you're going to have an opportunity, okay, to work on your self-esteem, to work on that sense of, self-assurance, to believe in yourself again. I do sense that also in the near future, you might come across somebody who might be overly domineering, controlling, and a little bit manipulative. So be aware of that energy if you come across it. But this has to do also with a level of you learning that you do deserve to be loved, to have love, to have everything that you desire, okay? And work on, again, that energy of self-esteem, okay? This is all about standing your ground. And also with the World reverse, this is in your subconscious thoughts. So yeah, in your subconscious thoughts, you kind of feel like there's unfinished business. There's a chapter here that is not yet over. There are still loose ends that need to be tied up, and you kind of I feel like maybe this could be part of the reason why it's making you feel a little bit down, okay, gloomy. If some of you guys are feeling that way, it could be because, yeah, maybe there is a new opportunity on the horizon, but there's still something lingering with regards to a chapter that has still not yet fully closed for you, okay? There's still something here that you either still want to experience or you feel like it's still not yet over. Now here with the Five of Swords reverse, this is how one person sees the other, okay? So somebody here wants to stop fighting. They want to lay down their sword and say, you know what, I don't want to fight anymore. Let's just not fight anymore. There could be an apology coming in. It could be that somebody here might be apologizing to the other individual, but somebody here doesn't want to fight anymore. They don't want to continue arguing, okay? Now here with the Ten of Pentacles, your action and advice is to head towards something that is equal to long-term potential with regards to abundance, with regards to making a lot of money. If you get an opportunity to make more money, but you don't feel worthy enough to head into that higher up level position, again, head on to that higher level position. Don't be afraid, right? Take on something that perhaps on the surface might seem like that's a lot of responsibility, but you're going to head towards victory, right? For others of you guys, if this is a relationship, then this is all about focusing in on some kind of marriage potential, a marriage situation. Focus in on stabilizing the situation, not only financially, but also, tune into the energies of how can you make this work for long term, right? What is a long-term benefit about the situation or for the situation. For others of you guys, it's time to focus in on marriage or a big business or money-related matters, right? Okay, how to multiply or expand perhaps your business, your money, that kind of thing. Now here you have the final result is a Two of Pentacles. So I do see that you might be a little bit undecided still. You might still be thinking, should I do this? Should I do that? Okay, do I close that chapter and head on to this new opportunity? Or it could just be that energy of indecision. Okay, so weighing out the pros, the cons, the pluses, the minuses to see what it is that you want to do next. Okay, so there's going to be some sense of indecision, a decision that needs to be made, and this is telling you head towards something new. Okay, it's also indicating for you to be open to new things, okay, to be more open to changes. Be open to changes is what I'm hearing here, okay? Let's go and see why opportunity is here for you. We're still not ready, okay? Let's keep shuffling. So why is opportunity here for you as your dominant energy? You have here the Nine of Wands as well as the Queen of Swords, the Ten of Cups as well as the Seven of Swords. Yeah, so I do see that there might be some kind of sneaky behavior, okay, around whether this is you or somebody that you are, dealing with. It could be some kind of lies or, for some of you guys, it could be deception. But overall energy also, it has to do with healing trust issues. Somebody here might just have some trust issues. And remember, this is telling you have an opportunity to act like the snake in this photo, right? To plan, before you take action. That also can be indicating that sneaky behavior. Perhaps you're the one who has to acquire that sneaky behavior, right? You might come across as a little bit sneaky, but you have to, again, make a plan, create a plan before you take action, just like that snake, right? It's kind of like wrapping itself around that tree to camouflage itself before it takes action towards its prey. So again, that could be sneaky behavior that perhaps you yourself need to tune into, okay? But whatever it is, this is also indicating you need to drop your walls. Yes, you've been through a lot. Yes, you've been through turmoil, but this is telling you lower your guard. Don't be so defensive. Lower your defenses, okay? This is all telling you that you already are prepared. You're prepared for something new. With the Queen of Swords, approach the situation with your logical mind, not with your heart. If you approach it with your logical mind, I do see that no one will be able to pull the wool over your eyes, okay? Just like the Queen of Swords, she tells it like it is, right? She's able to make decisions, just based on logic, okay, not emotion. And so that's what you need to embrace, but lower your guard and your defenses. And if you do that, it's going to head towards, look at that, this beautiful Ten of Cups. It's a beautiful relationship, an emotional bond that is strengthened. It's masculine and feminine energies coming together as one. And it's the happy family, the happy home. I do see that this is what's headed towards you. So we're going to be going into the extended reading to see who this other person is, more so about their subconscious thoughts about you, okay, how they feel about you, what their next moves and actions will be towards you, how this entire situation is all going to develop for you, what's going to be the final result, and we will end the reading with any messages from spirits. If you want to check that out, the link to the extended is down in the description box below. In the extended reading, I go into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more. And thank you all so much for all of your positive feedback for the extended reading. I am so glad that you guys are loving the extended reading so much. So again, if you want to check out the link to the extended, the link is down in the description box below. And if you would like a psychic reading, you can check out the link to Psychic Source that is down in the description box below. I have partnered with Psychic Source so that you can receive 10 minutes for only $10 and an additional 3 minutes for free. Choose any psychic of your choice, chat with them online via my direct link that is down in the description box below, or you can also call them. The number will be shown when you click on the description link that is down below. And use my special code 26489 when you call them or when you chat with them. Again, the direct link to Psychic Source is down in the description box below.